Everyone saw each other. No one saw him. And he was finally tired of pretending that didn't bother him. Malik always blends in. Malik wasn't invisible by nature. He trained himself to disappear. He sat quiet, acted small, and expected people to magically notice him anyway. That never happens. Ideas get ignored. He had good ideas, he just never claimed them. Someone louder repeated the same thought and got all the credit. Malik hated it, but he let it happen, again and again. Family dinner. At the dinner table, he had a great story to share about Amira. He rehearsed it twice, but when his turn came, he stepped back and said nothing. Nobody questioned it. Nobody even remembered he had a turn. Confrontation with Amira. Amira finally called him out, not gently. She told him he wasn't unlucky, he was hiding, and people can't acknowledge someone who refuses to show up. Night reflection. He replayed her words all night. The truth was ugly but accurate. He acted invisible, so people treated him like he was. Decision to change. He made a small but serious decision. Stop giving rooms permission to ignore him. Not fake confidence, not loud arrogance, just presence. First meeting transformation. The next meeting, he sat at the table instead of the edges, spoke early instead of last, used a real voice instead of a whisper. Suddenly, people turned toward him, not out of charity, out of recognition. People notice him. Within days, someone invited him onto a project team. That had never happened before, not because he was suddenly brilliant, because he finally showed that he existed. Social gathering breakthrough. He stopped hugging the corners at social events, asked questions, gave clear opinions, took space without apologizing for it, and people treated him exactly how he presented himself. Accepting a compliment. He even stopped dodging compliments. When someone admired his calm nature, he didn't shrink, he embraced it. That alone changed how others saw him. Final conversation with Amira. Months later, Amira immediately noticed the shift. Malik wasn't hiding anymore. He looked like someone who finally stepped into his own life. Moral ending. Malik discovered a truth most people never learn. You stop being invisible the moment you stop acting like you should be. Visibility isn't a gift, it's a decision.